if your son's dad gets back and I can sing it.
Why?
'Cause
Just sing me another one. Make another one up.
I can do it if somebody asks me to.
I'm asking you to do it.
Well, I can't do it again if somebody wants me to do it again.
Why? 'Cause why?
Cause somebody's here, I can sing it. If somebody's not here, I can't sing it.
Well, I'm here,
I know.
so you can sing it.
I sang it the first time.
But sing it again or sing a different one. I just want to hear you sing.
Well, it's not gonna work because I can't do it if you don't ask me to.
But I'm asking you to, so you can do it.
Well, I gotta do it again if Daddy's here.
Why does he have to be here?
Cause I don't want him to miss it again.
Can you just sing it again and then you can sing it again when he gets home?
Well, I can't.
Why?
Because we got to follow the rules. Only God asks me to do it if I can. Phew. I thought there was a monster at the door. No, I was just kidding. No, I was just kidding. Huh? No, I was just kidding, Kirsten. No, I was just kidding.
So are you going to sing or what?
Well, I have to do it if Daddy's home.
Well,
So
just sing me another song that Daddy doesn't have to be here for.
Okay. Was a birdie song?
Okay.
Well, it's not very loud.
Oh, okay.
It's really slow and quiet.
Okay, could you sing it for me?
Little birdies, they can chirp if they want to. They can lie if they do. But their eyes can take care of them. And that's the next, the loud is going on.
Okay, good.
And the sound of and the nose they can do that. I told you. And we adding sounds. And we hide from bad things. I got to do it.
That's all you can do.
Yeah. Well, it's not really the rest.
Oh, well, what's the rest?
Huh?
What's the rest?
That was the end.
Oh, okay.
I
All right.
can do this.